Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge because Windows 11 no longer ships IE as a standalone browser. Open Edge, go to Settings Default Browser, and turn on Allow Sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. Once done, restart Edge and, if prompted, reboot your PC to ensure the policy applies. This step lets legacy pages render with IE Engine while keeping Edge security and updates. It's necessary before you can load a site in IE mode. Now you'll load the actual site in IE mode. Navigate to the legacy web page, then open the three-dot menu in Edge and choose Reload in Internet Explorer mode. You'll see the page render using IE Trident Engine. Make sure the content behaves as expected. If this is a site you'll revisit, check Open this page in Internet Explorer mode next time to add it to Edge's IE mode list. This saves time and avoids repeating the manual reload for recurring legacy applications. To finish, save or manage your IE mode pages in Edge settings under Default Browser so sites open correctly in future. If elements display oddly, open Developer Tools or try Compatibility View settings to adjust document mode. These tools help identify mixed content or scripting issues. If IE mode won't activate, make sure your Windows 11 build is updated and group policies aren't blocking IE mode. A quick restart or policy refresh often resolves that. Keep this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.